Welcome to Best Choice. The best table saw is probably one of the most essential and versatile tools in any woodworking shop, capable of making precise cuts for everything from intricate joinery to large sheet goods, and while it might seem straightforward, choosing the right one involves understanding a variety of factors that can significantly impact your projects and your safety. Number 5. DEWALT 10-inch table saw with rolling stand, DWE 7491RS. Experience powerful and precise cutting with this 10-inch table saw. Its 15-amp motor and 4,800 revolutions per minute ensure it quickly rips through hardwoods with ease. Achieve fast, smooth, and accurate fence adjustments with the rack and pinion system. This makes setting up for your cuts incredibly simple and precise. Easily cut a variety of larger shelving and trim materials thanks to its impressive 32 to 12-inch rip capacity. It's designed to handle your biggest projects. Keep all your essential accessories organized and within reach. Onboard storage provides easy access to the blade guard, fence, and other tools when you need them. The rolling stand is designed for quick setup and breakdown, offering excellent stability. Its telescoping fence rails retract for a compact and portable package. Handle narrow rip cuts with the patented material support and the flip-over ripping fence. This feature adds even more versatility to your workflow. Maintain a clean workspace with the 2 to 12-inch dust collection port. It easily connects to a vacuum for efficient dust extraction, keeping your area tidy. What we like. The rack and pinion telescoping fence system makes adjustments fast, smooth, and accurate. Its rolling stand is designed for easy setup and breakdown with excellent stability. If you need to make narrow rip cuts or frequently move your saw, this is a great option. What people say. The table saw has a powerful 15-amp motor that delivers 4,800 revolutions per minute for fast and efficient cutting. It features a large cast iron table that provides a stable and smooth surface for handling large workpieces. The saw includes a durable aluminum miter gauge with adjustable stops for precise angle cuts. Number 4. SKIL 10-inch heavy-duty worm drive table saw SPT 99-11. Experience the legendary worm drive gearing that delivers exceptional power. It offers an impressive 3 to 5/8-inch depth of cut and a generous 30 to 12-inch rip capacity for all your needs. Achieve perfect cuts every time with its precision rack and pinion fence system. Adjustments are quick and smooth, ensuring accuracy for every project. Take your workshop anywhere with its rugged rolling stand. Featuring 16-inch wheels and easy-load handles, it provides unsurpassed mobility for any job site. Keep your workspace clean and focused. The dust port elbow effectively contains debris in one area, simplifying cleanup. Tackle larger projects effortlessly. With the added outfeed and left support, you can make bigger cuts even when working alone. What we like. This saw features legendary worm drive gearing for impressive cutting depth and power. Its rugged rolling stand with large wheels offers unsurpassed mobility. If you're looking for a heavy-duty portable saw with excellent power and ease of movement, this one is worth considering. What people say. The table saw has a powerful 15-amp motor that delivers 4,800 revolutions per minute for fast and efficient cuts. It features a large 27x22 cast iron table that provides ample support for large workpieces. The integrated dust collection port helps keep the work area clean by connecting to a vacuum. Number 3. Garvee 10 and 15A Multifunctional Table Saw. Achieve precise cuts every time with our powerful and versatile saw. Its adjustable features allow for perfect angles and depths for any project. Experience exceptional cutting power with a high-amperage motor that reaches 5,000 revolutions per minute. It effortlessly slices through various hardwoods, ensuring a smooth finish. This saw is built for stability, featuring reinforced supports and extended table surfaces. It can handle larger materials with confidence and ease. Maintain a clean workspace with the integrated dust collection port. Safety is paramount with a transparent blade guard, push stick, and overload protection. This package includes the saw, a high-quality blade, stand, and all necessary accessories. Read the manual carefully for safe and optimal use. From 90 degrees crosscuts to 45 degrees bevels, this tool adapts to your needs. Its adjustable blade height ensures accuracy for all your woodworking projects. What we like. With a powerful 15-amp motor achieving 5,000 revolutions per minute, it easily cuts through hardwood. The blade height is adjustable with a hand wheel for precise needs. If you need a versatile saw for various woodworking tasks and appreciate the stability offered by side extensions for larger pieces, this multifunctional saw is a solid choice. What people say. The table saw has a powerful 15-amp motor that delivers 4,800 revolutions per minute for efficient cutting. It features a large 27-inch rip capacity, allowing for wider cuts. The integrated dust collection port helps keep the work area clean. Number 2. DEWALT 8-14 inches. Compact Portable Jobsite Table Saw, DWE 7485. Effortlessly rip 4x8 plywood or OSB sheets with an impressive 24.5 inches of rip capacity. This tool makes large material handling a breeze. Its compact size is designed for easy transportation and storage. Take it wherever the job takes you without hassle. Experience quick, smooth, and precise fence adjustments thanks to the rack and pinion telescoping fence rails. Achieve accuracy with every cut. Keep all your essential accessories, including the guard, fence, wrenches, and miter gauge, neatly organized and readily accessible with onboard storage. Built with a metal roll cage base, this saw is engineered for maximum durability on any job site. It's designed to withstand tough conditions. The Site Pro modular guarding system allows for quick and easy tool-free adjustments of the guarding. Safety and convenience combined. Work with confidence thanks to the power loss reset feature, which prevents accidental restarts after a power interruption. Your safety is prioritized. What we like. Its compact size makes it incredibly easy to transport and store. The metal roll cage base provides excellent durability for job site conditions. If you prioritize portability and durability for on-site work, this saw's compact design and robust build are ideal. What people say. The table saw has a powerful motor that makes cutting through different types of wood effortless. The fence is very accurate and locks down securely, ensuring straight and precise cuts every time. The dust collection system is surprisingly effective, keeping the work area much cleaner than expected. Number 1. DEWALT 8-14 inches. Compact Jobsite Table Saw, DWE 7485. Effortlessly rip 4x8 plywood or OSB sheets with an impressive 24.5 inches of rip capacity. This tool makes large material cuts manageable. Its compact size is perfect for easy transportation and storage. Take your workshop wherever the job takes you. Experience quick, smooth, and precise fence adjustments thanks to the rack and pinion telescoping fence rails. Get your setup right in no time. Keep all your essential accessories, including the guard, fence, wrenches, and miter gauge, neatly organized and within reach. Everything you need is stored right on the tool. Built with a metal roll cage base, this saw is designed for ultimate durability on the job site. It can withstand tough working conditions. Easily adjust the guarding without the need for tools using the Site Pro modular guarding system. Safety and convenience combined. Work with confidence thanks to the power loss reset feature. It prevents accidental restarts after a power interruption, ensuring your safety. What we like. This saw is designed for ultimate portability with its compact size and easy storage. Metal roll cage base ensures it can withstand tough job site environments. If you're a contractor or DIYer who needs a reliable and easily transportable saw for frequent site use, this model is a great fit. What people say. The table saw has a powerful 15-amp motor that delivers 4,800 revolutions per minute for fast and efficient cuts. It features a large cast iron table that provides a stable and spacious work surface, measuring 27 by 36 inches. The integrated dust collection system effectively captures sawdust, keeping the work area clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.